When we first met with Kathy and Dale, one of the big things was their kitchen was kind of outdated and they wanted to bring it more up to the current times as well as make it more functional. Kathy enjoys baking, cooking. She wanted to have appliances and a kitchen layout that worked for that setup. So on the wish list items, improved countertops or adding more countertop space, which was limited. Improved lighting, so whatever she was doing in there she could accomplish what she wanted to do without, struggling to see what she was doing. We added under cabinet lighting. With the decorative tile backsplash, that was also something that they wanted to add to the look of the kitchen. So instead of having outlets that would kind of interrupt the look of the decorative tile, we have integrated outlets that fit into the fixtures with the under cabinet lights. Upper cabinets, adding a depth to them, so they're 14 inches deep as opposed to 12. You wouldn't think 2 inches is a big deal, but for plates, things that may go in those cabinets, that really helps out for storage. With the hood vent cabinet, very important that we have proper ventilation for cooking. So in the design, we didn't want it to be a disruptive piece to the kitchen. We wanted it to complement the looks of the rest of the cabinetry. So we designed a piece that the ventilation unit actually fits inside of the cabinet, and then to have proper venting so it would work efficiently, we actually hid the ductwork up in the crown molding of the cabinetry, as well as design the cabinet so we don't, unfortunately when you have venting ductwork, a lot of times you lose functionality in upper cabinets. We were able to hide it in the crown molding so it didn't really take away from any of the storage in the cabinets. One of the things that we wanted to work into the kitchen, it was important to our homeowner that they could do more cooking and baking, but they also wanted to have this as a gathering point over the holidays when family gathers around friends, that you don't just see all appliances in this kitchen. So we designed one of the cabinets that houses the microwave to have a barrister style top hinge door that slides out of the way when it's being used. When it's not, it's closed up and it looks like the rest of the cabinetry. We also incorporated ways to have easy access for cooking utensils, cookie sheets, knives, cutting boards, and those are all incorporated with the various pullouts that we've worked into the design of the kitchen. One of the things that was important in this kitchen was to improve the functionality and the ease of use in the kitchen. A lot of times what we're seeing in older kitchens, they're doors on the base cabinet. So to get something out of it, you have to get on your knees, open up one door, open the other, and then reach in and pull something else. We're seeing what's more efficient is adding more drawers into base cabinets. So now to accomplish the task you want to accomplish, you basically reach down, open the drawer, and it's done in one step rather than multiple steps. So that was one of the things we increased, drawers in base cabinets. When we do a full kitchen remodel, it's really important that we're mindful of the homeowners. This is something that we do regularly, and it's so easy being in the trades that we forget what it's like to be on the other side of the table. So one of the things that, communication, which everyone says they communicate, but to really let them know what's going on. At the beginning of the project, when we sign the contract, we go through a proposed work schedule. It kind of lays out on a day-by-day basis who's going to be here, who's going to be doing what responsibility is of the homeowners, what they need to take care of so we can accomplish these daily tasks. That's something that's really important. At the end of the project, we did receive feedback from Kathy and Dale that was something they really appreciated, as well as having the right trade people coming in. Our success is based off of who we bring in to work on the project, our trade partners, as well as our team in the shop and everybody that's involved. So it's a team effort. Initially, the ideas as far as the looks that Kathy and Dale were going for on the project, they were thinking it would be a stained cabinet. With the wood floors, we wanted to be careful that the wood wasn't overpowering in the kitchen, that everything flowed. So we ended up going with a painted finish, kind of an off-white color. One of the challenges with the bumped out bay window, because it's such a big visual part of the kitchen, it's important to keep that element in, but also have it so it's aesthetically pleasing, that it complements the rest of the layout of the kitchen. In this case, instead of where originally it was laid out with drywall, we trimmed it out with a paint grade wood, and then ultimately painted out the trim with the matching color that we did in the cabinetry, so it flows very nicely with the rest of the kitchen. When we originally met, one of the designs that Kathy was interested was having a farm style sink. Because of I don't want to say it was a small footprint for a kitchen, we were adding a lot of accessories, pullouts, organizers, and the style of doors and cabinetry that they were looking for. We were limited on the space, so the farm style sink was one of those things that we ended up compromising to going with an undermount sink. As we got into the project, opening up walls, there were things that really weren't done the way they should have been done, and we're not just going to close those up and leave them. So we do want to bring things up to code and have them done properly. That's always a challenging time when you have to have this sit down with the homeowner and tell them that there's going to be more expenses, but ultimately it's the right way to do things. On our follow-up part of the process, once we complete the project, we talk with the homeowner to get their input on how the project went, how they feel about things. And in this case, we were able to accomplish everything that they wanted to achieve in this kitchen. So that's always a good feeling when that happens.